So guys, at this point you're gonna remove it. You can see immediately when you see this bubbling, when it's bubbling like this, just remove it. Problem of your hair, if your hair is very weak, it's always break, you can use this as well. Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Guys, thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping by guys. In today's video guys, if you are trying to grow your beard, the remedy you are seeing here is going to help you to grow your beard. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you step by step how I make this. Okay, this remedy here will grow your hair like crazy. If you are trying to grow your beard, or you are alopecia patient, or you have alopecia areata, don't worry, this will solve the problem. This will grow your beard quickly. Okay, within 4 working days you're gonna have a long and healthy beard. Okay, so guys, the first ingredient we're going to be using boiling water. You can see it's very warm, and this water is boiled. You need your boiled water if you want to make the concoction ready to go. So you have to bring the water to the boil. Okay, so we need onions. Okay, I recommend white onions. If you cannot get white onions, go ahead and get a red onions, but white onions. So I've already used this, so you only need half or quarter of this to do the work. Okay, so the second ingredient is going to be curry leaf. All right, you get yourself a curry leaf. Okay, so we're going to be applying this into this saucepan. And the next step we're going to be using, guys, we're going to be using, you all know gloves. Okay, you can get it in any grocery. You only need a little bit of it, or like 10 or 15. Okay, gloves is very good for promote the hair. This will give your beard a good healthy look, and it will grow your beard quickly. Okay, get this in any grocery shop. This only costs €2. Okay, all right. So the next step we're gonna be using, guys, we all know rosemary is very good. It promotes hair growth quickly. Okay, you need rosemary. You need like half teaspoon of rosemary. Okay, all right. So the next step, don't forget your green tea. We're going to be adding a green tea. We know all the benefits of green tea. It will make your beard look radiant. It's going to promote hair growth as well. It's going to get rid of any flaky, any dandruff, and it's going to make your hair strong. So that is why I'm gonna be going ahead to apply my green tea. So you need 1 teaspoon of green tea. Green tea will promote your hair as well. It's very good for our skin as well, and you can as well drink it. You need organic green tea. So we need 1 tablespoon of green tea. Green tea will get rid of any damage, any scalp dry, any dandruff, any hair lace, and so on and so forth. You can as well use it for your hair. Okay, this is a good perfect concoction for to grow your beard hair. Okay, this will grow your beard very fast. Follow my step by step, and let me know if you do not understand me. Just let me know. I will 100% get back to you guys. Okay, follow this instruction step by step. It work. You will see your beard, it will be growing healthy, and this will help you to get rid of any acne, any pimples, any dandruff, any damage, any skin irritation. Okay, home remedy is it work wonderful. All right, give it a go guys, and let me know. So the next step, I'm going to need a little bit of onions. Okay, and guys, and I'm going to tell you one thing. Onions is very good. It promotes hair as well. It stops the breakage. If your hair is always break, or you have a weak hair root. This will help you to promote your hair grow quickly as well. Okay, all these ingredients is to promote hair. Okay, we are going to be dropping this here as well. All right guys, give it a go guys. I'm serious, this will help you to grow your hair as well. All right guys, so the next thing, we're going to be boiling this for 5 minutes, okay, in order to get the concentration we really want. And the good news, you can keep it in the fridge for 2 months. Anytime you really want to do it, use it. Spray it around your beard and leave it for 1 hour and rinse it. You're gonna see your beard is going to grow like crazy. It's going to be looking healthy beard. Okay, I'm going to be boiling it now. So guys, we're going to boil it together for roughly 10 minutes so that we need the concentration of this concoction. Okay guys, as well, you can go to my page and check onions oil. This oil contains pure red onions and fenugreek. This as well will promote your hair growth. Okay, it's going to give your beard a good healthy looking. It's going to fuller your hair. It's going to make your hair very strong and radiance and thin. Please check my page. I'm going to be leaving the link of this how to make onions oil with fenugreek on below of this channel. Please click on it and check how you can make your own home remedy oil, pure organic onions oil guys. Okay, give it a go and let me know what you think. Apply this every day to your beard. Your beard will be growing like crazy as well. And if you have a gray hair, this onions oil will get rid of the gray. Give it a go guys. Please let me know what you think until you get your heart's desire guys. At this point, I'm going to leave it for another 1 minute guys. The smell guys, oh my god, it smells so nice guys. Give it a go, you're gonna like it guys. So I'm going to be right back guys after 2 minutes. All right, so guys, at this point you're gonna remove it. You can see immediately when you see this bubbling, when it's bubbling like this, just remove it. Switch off your electric cooker and remove it. It will change color. Everything is mixed together and it's ready to go straight to your hair. All right, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Support me guys. Okay, I make a good remedy every second week and I make a good cake, baking, everything on this channel. Okay, so it's ready to go. We are going to be straining it together. So we only need the water, so there's nothing else. Oh, you can see that golden color. That is what we actually need to be washing out for the golden color. So you're gonna throw this away. You don't need all this anymore, so you're gonna throw that away. And this is what you really need for your hair to be very grow, to be long and full. This will full your hair. Your hair will be healthy, grow strong, get rid any bacteria as well, hairlines, dandruff, you name it. This will grow hairs very faster. It will make your beard to be fuller and lovely, amazing, gorgeous. So you are going to leave this now at least for 10 minutes to settle down. All right, make sure this concoction, this liquid is very cold before apply to your beard. So I will be right back when it's really cold. Okay guys, so guys, the next step, our remedy, powerful remedy is ready. You can see the color guys, it's very cold. Make it cold, okay, and you keep the rest in the fridge. All right, you can use your cotton pad. Sorry guys, I don't have cotton pad or cotton wool, but I prefer doing it this way. You can as well use it for your hair. Get something like this in the pound shop or anywhere, and you can use it to spray. So I use it a lot if I'm going to do my hair mask. So spray this all over your beard. So I put the napkin there. So guys, you're gonna stir it. and that's it. So you can see, so this will promote your beard growth, healthy, thick. It's going to make your hair thicker and grow thick, from thick to thicker. It's going to make your hair look fabulous, guys. Your hair is gonna grow thicker. Where's my oil? You can use this as well, like hair mask. Distribute all this into your hair. Get a shower cap for 1 hour and rinse it, and use your onion, use your onions oil. Go to my page. Please go to my page and get the full recipe from my page. Okay, you spray this after washing your hair. You now massage this onions phenolic oil to the scalp, from the scalp to the roots, from the scalp to the hair. You comb it through and you rinse it. This will fuller your hair. So if you are going to be using this as well to your beard, just spray it. You can see, spray and massage it from the roots of the beard. Leave it for 1 hour, 30 minutes. It depends. If you are very busy, just rinse it after 30-20 minutes. But if you are not busy, just leave it throughout, maybe 1 hour or more than that. Okay, and when you rinse it, and with lukewarm water or ordinary water, it doesn't really matter. It depends where you are living. So after that, you want to massage this. So this will support it to be super duper grow quickly. So you spray this in your palm. Okay, so you massage to the roots of your hair, and you don't need to rinse this because I had lavender with it. It smells lovely. Go to my page, get the full recipe, make it at home, and it works effectively. Leave it, or it's optional. Is it that you rinse this or just leave it? Okay, it's just like a oil cream. Okay, so go get this on my page, guys. Check my page, is there. All right, so follow the instruction. Ordinary, this will fuller your beard. You can use this alone as well for your beard, but maybe twice in a week you can make this concoction and keep it in your fridge. This can last up to 2 to 3 months. Okay, just put it in the fridge, store it there, and whenever you are blessed, basically whenever you want to use it, because when you apply this to your hair is gonna be very dry, so you need a lot of moisture. Okay, all right, this will dry your hair out. Okay, so watch out for that. Use this for your beard. Leave it for 1 hour or 30 minutes. If you are not busy, if you are not rushing, just leave it there throughout, or 1 hour. It depends. But if you are a busy person, just 30 minutes. Rinse it, dry it, apply your onions phenolic oil. Apply it, massage it. You can do, if you like, guys, you can rinse it, or if you don't, you just leave it. Okay, because it smells nice if you follow the procedures, and it really nice, it smells nice. It's like hair cream as well. So let me know what you think, guys. This is all I have for you guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Check this, follow the procedure. Go to my page. I'm going to leave the link below. Click on this, how to make your onions oil. Apply this every day, massage it to the root, and it will give you a better result. Thank you so much, guys. Stay blessed. Bye for now.